Hello, the given question is from test series 12, subject control system, chapter stability and Routh-Hurwitz criterion, and this is 2 marks question. And the given question is the characteristic equation of the closed loop control system as given. So we have to find out if the system is option A stable, second option stable with 2 left side poles, C option unstable with 3 right side poles, D unstable with 2 left side poles. So we have to find out if the system is stable or unstable, or how many poles is there in the right side and left side of the pole, and that is a mistake. This should be 3. So there we have to find out which is the right option. So in order to solve this problem, we have to first match with the standard Routh-Hurwitz equation and form the Routh-Taylor column. So we have done that already. So that is, this is the general equation and this is the given equation. So when you match with that, A0 value is 1 and A2 value is 2 and A1 value is 1 and A3 value is 2 and A4 value is 3 and A4 and A5 is 15. So in order to find B1, D3 and C3 and C1, D1, E1, we have the formula, that is B1 is equal to A1 into minus A0 A3 by A1, and same way we have the equation for B3 and C1 and E1, C3, A5 and D1. So when you we know the values of A1, A2, A0 and A3. So just directly substituting the values in these formulas, we'll obtain B1 as 0 and B3 as minus 12 and C1 as 2 epsilon plus 12 by epsilon, because we are assuming 0 as epsilon for the further simplification. So next C1 is okay, we have obtained, and C3 as 15 and D1 as minus 12k minus 15 epsilon by k, and k value we have taken as, that is, this is D1. So D1 formula is here, and we know the value of C1 B3 minus C3 B1 by C1. So for the make the simplification simpler, we'll take this k, this epsilon, 2 epsilon plus 12k, 2 epsilon by 12 by epsilon is equal to k. So we are substituting this, so we are substituting 2 epsilon plus 12 by epsilon as k value. So 2k plus 12, sorry, minus 12 minus 15 epsilon by k. So in order to find if the system is stable or unstable, we'll take this term, that is 2 epsilon plus 12 epsilon, which can be written as 2 plus 12 by epsilon, and as epsilon is tending to 0, as epsilon is value 0, 2 plus infinity will come. So which is, we'll take, this is a positive and 2 is a positive value, and next we'll take this equation and we'll write it in this form, minus 12 by k minus 15 of as epsilon is 0, and we know this is negative value, and this is negative value. So from this table we can see that there is 2 change, that is plus to minus and minus to plus. So we can see that there is 2 sign changes, that is from plus to minus and minus to plus. So we know that there are 2 roots in the right side of the plane, and as we know that there is standard condition to tell the system is unstable. If any poles are in the right side of the plane, the system is said to be unstable. So the option is, so the correct option is D, because we know that there are if any roots is in the right side of the plane, that is system is unstable, and so option A is incorrect, and option B and C are incorrect because we have got, there are two right side poles, so the option C is incorrect, and B is incorrect because there are three poles in the left side pole, so the option D is correct because since we have three poles in the left side. Thank you.